Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code for Hub. So guys, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about the Pandas library, which is one of the best library for data manipulation, for the data science and data analysis. So guys, if you want to land in the field of data science, if you want to land in the field of data science and data analysis, then you must know about the Pandas library, which is built using the Python programming. It is a great library of Python for data manipulation and data extraction. So now let's move ahead and let's talk about what is this data, what is this Pandas, and why do we use Panda, why should we use Pandas for data manipulation, for data science and data analysis. So guys, Pandas is a very strong, very important library of Python programming language for data manipulation, data extraction, for getting the insights from the data. We use this Pandas library to extract the information from a particular data set. Now, why do we use Pandas for data science or data analytics? So the answer for this question is that Pandas is very easy to learn. Its syntax is very easy, and also you can learn it very easily by yourself. It is very easy to learn. So moving ahead, we will see how we will import Pandas in our Jupyter notebook and how we are going to load our data set using this Pandas library. All these things we will see in our Jupyter notebook. And also guys, for this tutorial I'm going to use this Titanic dataset. Again, Titanic is a very famous dataset, you know that. You can easily download it from Google. Just type on Google, download Titanic dataset, and also you can get it from Kaggle. Or there are many platforms, many sources where you can download this dataset. So moving ahead, let's open our Jupyter notebook and import this Pandas library and also our dataset. So here's my Jupyter notebook, and on the right hand side top corner you will see a new button. Just click on new button and you will see this Python 3. Just click on this Python 3 and you will be redirected to the Jupyter notebook. So here is our Jupyter notebook, and now first I will just rename my Jupyter notebook. I'm going to name it Pandas. Also you can name it whatever you want to name it. So I am giving it a name Pandas, rename it, and now we will import our Pandas library. So let's see how I am going to do this. For this I will use import Pandas as PD. So here you saw that I have loaded this Pandas library using this import. Now what is this PD? So this PD is nothing but just an alias used for this Pandas. Now let's just run it, shift plus enter. So that's fine. That's how we have loaded our our Pandas library. We have imported our Pandas library. Now we will see how we are going to load our dataset. So guys, for loading our dataset, we will use pd.readcsv function. So let's do this. I will name it, assign a variable, Titanic equal to pd.read underscore csv. So colon, comma. So this is how we are going to load our dataset. So for loading dataset, you just need to copy the path of your dataset. Like you need to copy the path. For that, you just click on this, right click on this Titanic dataset, go to these properties, and you will find the path of your dataset here, the location sections. What you need to have done, you just need to copy this path. So just copy it and come to the environment and paste it here. And also guys, one thing needs to be mentioned here, that you don't need to use this backslash because it will give an error. So here I will convert all the backslash into the forward slash. So erase the backslash and put forward slash here. Do same for all the backslash. And now here I will give the name of my dataset. So the name of my dataset is Titanic, T-I-T-A-N-I-C, and also don't forget to mention your CSV because we are loading here CSV file. And again guys, in the upcoming videos I'm going to teach you about that I'm going to teach you that how you can load the different kinds of files like CSV file, XML file, Excel file, HTML file, JSON file, and also you can read the data from URL. These all things you can done with just using this pandas library that we will see in our future videos. And again guys, if you do not have subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe it for upcoming videos. So I'm going to run this Titanic, shift plus enter. So now you can see here a totally unstructured data set. So this is our data. So using this pandas library guys, I will convert this whole unstructured data into a beautiful tabular format, structure format. So this is the beauty of language. You can perform any kind of manipulation just by writing a single line of code, and you will get a beautiful result. So I'm going to transform it in a structured format. I will just use separator equal to, I will write here tab, and here it is. You can see here that my unstructured data has been converted into a beautiful tabular column. We will learn about all this method in our upcoming videos in future. I will teach you about all this method, all these operations which are going to perform in our pandas library. So okay guys, this is it for now. Here we have learned about the pandas, why do we use pandas, and how we are going to import our pandas library in our Jupyter notebook, and also loading our dataset. We will learn